Let me share my screen. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let's get started. So, welcome everyone. Okay. Okay. So, I think we have some new friend. GRSLV. I'm sorry, I can't.
It's Yaroslav.
Okay. Okay. And maybe I guess he is the contributor. He is one of the contributor for GP State Collector, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Welcome. So, okay, let's go to next part. This week, we are welcoming and announcing a new PPMC member, Leonard. I think you guys must know him well. I think Leonard has been active in the Apache Collaboratory community from contributor to committer and to PPMC member. Not just the technical contributions, but he shows the strong commitment to community and other things, right? So, congratulations to you again, and welcome to the team.
Okay. Thank you very much for your trust. It's really important.
Okay, so hope other community members can grow in the Apache Collaboratory community from community contributor to committer, then to be the PPMC member. Okay. The next one is the highlights in the past 2 weeks. We will talk about the Postgres kernel upgrade and the main repo and other ecosystem and the extension for Collaboratory. So let's get started this part. The first one is about Postgres kernel upgrade. As you may know, we have been working on the Postgres 14 minor kernel upgrade. This work has been led by Richard Carrier. I just saw Richard Carrier has submitted one pull request on upgrading 14.6 to 14.7. This pull request is still in the progress. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Kirill said it's a quite tough process because upgrading the .6 was more easier than 7. So there are changes between 6 and 7, and they should be carefully adopted to the Cloudberry. So it's a quite tough task.
Yes. And also the latest 14 kernel is maybe the 14.22, right?
Yes.
It's a long, So the linear kernel upgrade will be a long journey for us. Yeah.
Also, I should add that Max Young find out that all the times TZ data package is outdated. It's from 2022. Yeah, but we have guys from the South America. Oh, it's North America. Sorry for me. They need a new TZ data. So Max Jan suggested to update TZ data 2 update it in release 2. So it's also really important thing that should be done.
Yeah. Also, I also noticed this discussion in the dev mailing list. Yeah, I think these commits has been in the latest 14 Postgres release, but I think for now we can cherry pick these commits into our 2 release branch, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's go on. So, guys, if you have any questions, welcome to unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay, next part for the updates for the main repo. I think in the past 2 weeks, the major updates is about that we introduced one new extension, GP State Collector. Yeah, so thanks. Sorry. Can you spell your name?
Maxim.
Maxim?
And
Maxim.
Yaroslav.
Okay. Yaris. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So thanks you guys, and thanks for Leonard and other reviewers to make this pull request merged. Yeah, I think it's a very big feature for user and the observability. Yeah.
Okay, here it's not the whole picture because in order to get info about SQL queries, you should also the part that gather data from stats collector. I have open sourced it internal name YagaPCC. I should also place it in Cloudberry world, maybe in a contrib repository. So I have my own repository, but should update the license info, and I think I will place it in a contrib, Cloudberry contrib, and here I'm going to rename it to more usual name GPCC. It's of course it's not Greenplant Command Center at all, but the good name. Everyone want Command Center to find info about SQL queries, so it's no commands, no center, but info about queries and the name GPCC. I'm going to create pull request and add. It's not an extension. It's a separate program to operate with data get from Cloudberry instance and to show it and to aggregate data. Analog Greenplant Command Center, but not proprietary software. It's free.
Okay, cool. So maybe we can host the new project and the Apache organization. I'm not sure if any chance for it.
Well, maybe, but it's small product. It's like backup utility or PXF utility. So in my mind, it's utility as others, and the contrib Cloudberry contrib is placed for not contrib directory inside Cloudberry, but it's contrib Cloudberry contrib project. And
Okay. Okay. Anyway, so will be great to to see the project. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next part will be about the ecosystem and extension for CloudBerry. The first one is for CloudBerry PXF. I think Nikolai, could you share the
Okay.
update with us?
We finally added ClickHouse JDBC test that runs, and we have JDBC drivers that tested and works well. They were broken. Installation good change. And also we fixed a bug in JDBC, PXF JDBC. It was not possible to write binary data from CloudBerry to external source. Fix it. A lot of PRs this week from Dinjan. They mostly maintenance things like go to toolchain updates and Apache CloudBerry stuff, renaming, polishing, different things. So a lot of small improvements made.
Yeah. Thanks, Nikolai, for your update. Yeah, for the Go to Chain upgrade, this PR is still in the progress. I will try to resolve the comment and fix the CI issues next week. Okay. Next part is about CloudBerry backup. Yeah, I think the first in the last week we just initiate one discussion on the future roadmap for CloudBerry backup. I know you Yandex guys are used to use WAL-G to use backup and restore, right? But I think the ecosystem for Greenplum or CloudBerry are very extensive. So so there may be some similar tools for backup. I think CloudBerry backup are still used by many Greenplum users, right? So we need that. So there's a need to continue to maintain the CloudBerry backup. So I just started the discussion on the roadmap for CloudBerry backup. Yeah, I think we have received some comments on the roadmap, including the Leonard. He has contributed some ideas and some ideas from Antti Kurochi. I think he is not in this meeting, but he has been actively contributing to the CloudBerry backup. Yeah, so thanks Antti for contributing his ideas on the roadmap. Yeah. So if you guys have more ideas on the roadmap for CloudBerry backup, welcome to leave your comments on the issue or reply directly to the dev mailing list. Okay. Yeah. So the next major update for CloudBerry backup is on the Go major version upgrade. This PR is contributed by Antti Kurochi. I think this PR has been merged into the main branch. Yeah. Okay. So this is an update for CloudBerry backup. If no more updates to CloudBerry backup and CloudBerry PXF, we can continue. Okay. The next one is about the CloudBerry upgrade. I think Leonard can share some updates on this.
What we need in-place upgrade, because some databases are huge and one just cannot copy all the data to the new database. So we need in-place upgrade, and Maxim is handling developing CB upgrade utility that performs upgrade in place, and he just commenced the process. And what we are going on? We are going on to create a new repository again in Contrib, name it CB upgrade, and Maxim did and merged the first commit that fixed the problems in pgdump related to work with griplam, all the griplam installations. So Maxim is going to establish the new repository and going to do all works in those repository. What we are going to do right now we are going to create utility for upgrade from older griplam versions. Our goal is griplam 6 upgrade, in-place upgrade from griplam 6 to the CloudBerry main. Well, CloudBerry also, I believe we will support the CloudBerry 2 versions, but our goal right now is to upgrade to the main. It's not a problem. Okay, well, so we just started the whole process, and the first step is going on. So if everyone interested in the process, you probably should watch the new CB upgrade repository, and the whole fixes will be there and in the main branch.
Cool.
Well, I also said about GPTC, it will change name to Griplam Command Center, and also will be in a Contrib in the Contrib repository.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Leonard, for your updates. Okay. I think we hope to see we have more positive progress on these two items. Yeah, thanks for your guys' contribution. Okay, anyone has some comments on about the ecosystem and the main repo or the kernel upgrade? Okay, we are done. If no more comments, let's continue. Next one is about the site. Let me share some updates on the site. So in the past 2 weeks, I have created one new page inviting new PPMC members. So we should have the documents to guide the PPMC member on how to invite new PPMC member, right? So we need more workflow to follow. Yeah. This page has been live on the site. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
From my side, I'd like to point that probably it's time to start thinking where we'll place a CloudBerry PXF documentation.
Okay.
I think
point.
that Mr. Raindrop created a demo site that just shows that it at least compiles to some static site, and you can read it.
Yeah, a good question, good point. Yeah, we need to host the CloudBerry PXF documentation to the CloudBerry official site. Yeah, maybe as soon as possible, maybe next week I can start the solution on this issue. Yeah.
Okay, no hurry here because the documentation is not fully updated. A lot of references to old green plums.
Yes. Okay.
But at least it's better to point users to some documentation rather than pages on GitHub, sources on GitHub.
Yeah. Cool. So next week we'll focus on the our release announcement and the follow-up items on the 2.1 release. I think just as I said, I can start the solution on this issue next week. Yeah. Okay. So the next one is about marketing and events. From my side, there is no more updates on this part. Just one soft reminder: the call for proposal for Community Overcode Asia 2026 will be closed in the next 2 weeks. I have saw Leonard proposal for this conference. Yeah. So next week I will talk the community members from Hashdata and other team to see what topics we can submit from China and other community members. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the last part is about the AI and the release. Let me share some updates on the release. Finally, our new release 2.1 release candidate 2 has been approved by the incubator community this day. Yeah, just I send out the result, the vote result email to the incubator mailing list. So next week and next step, we will move the artifacts from the dev directory to the release directory, and update the tags on GitHub for CloudBerry Core and CloudBerry PXF, CloudBerry Backup, and then we'll send out the announcement email next week. Yeah, okay. After the announcement, plan to make the RPM and the DB packages for these projects. Yeah. Will be include these packages will be for for Intel and ARM CPUs. Yeah. Okay. So the above are the plan for our 2.1 release. Yeah. If any updates, I will share in our dev mailing list. Okay.
I have a question. Where will be Debian and RPM packages be placed where the users could find them?
I think we can upload these packages to the GitHub release page, and we can also add the download links to our download page in CloudBerry site, so the users can easily visit the packages and easy to download them. Sounds good?
Yes, sounds great.
Okay. So in the last meeting, the Andreas raised one request that adding the RPM package for Rocky-Linux 10. I think for the coming 2.1, the RPM package will be not available. We need to compile the CloudBerry from the source code, but we have some issues on compiling CloudBerry in Rocky-Linux 10. So some issues need to be fixed and resolved for Rocky-Linux 10. Maybe we can ship the RPM for Rocky-Linux 10 in the next release 2.2, right? Yeah. For 2.1, I think we will provide packages for Rocky-Linux 8 and 9 and Ubuntu 22.4. Okay, they have been included. These operating systems have been included in our daily CI workflows, so they have been verified. Yeah. Okay. Just the updates for the release. Yeah.
So the first we create tests and create binaries in the main repository, then cherry pick it to the 2.2 release, and then release actual binary, actual RPM package the next coming release. Sorry, we cannot do it in 2.1 since the voting has ended. And
yeah, we will try this way. Yeah, we will add the Rocky-Linux 10 support in the main branch firstly, then cherry pick the support from main to our release 2 branch. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's continue. The next part is about the Slack workspace issue. You can see the whole process for the Slack affair. Our original Slack workspace was deleted. The Slack team sent one notification email in the last 2 months, but we missed the notification. So our original Slack workspace was suspended and we cannot access it again. Now we have created the new Discord server and the new Slack workspace. So welcome you guys to join the new workspace and the new Discord server. Yeah. Okay. I just did some updates on the CloudBerry site in the PR. So welcome to review and approve. Also for the new Slack workspace, we will publish one blog to guide people to join it. Yeah. Okay. I think the updates for Slack workspace. And the next one is about AI conduct policy. Leonard?
Yes. I just read the AI conduct policy for ClickHouse. They ahead of us for 2 months. So they released AI conduct policy 2 months ago. So, I read it and decided, well, it's good because AI is here. He is everywhere, and we use LLMs in our development process. So we just could not avoid using AI. So just need to clarify for the developers how to properly use AI and how to work with it, how to say to the community that something was generated and maybe it's normal for our belief. So I'm going to write AI conduct policy for our project. I believe I will do it in upcoming 2 weeks. Well, we will see. And here, I think we will discuss conduct policy again in pull request and then merge it, and maybe we will update our site too. And after that, we could say our developers what we are thinking about the AI and using LLMs in the development process. So. Others, it's normal. It's just use it.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Actually, I have been working with the help from the large language modules and other AI tools. Actually, these tools can accelerate our development process, yeah, and make our work more efficient, right? So I think there will be one AI coding track in this year's Community Overcode Asia. Yeah. Last year in the ApacheCon Asia, I remember the one audience raised the same question to the Apache Foundation member. The main principle for Apache, we can use the AI to help generate the code, but we need to clarify the copyright if to see if it's good and compatible with Apache license. Yeah, I think this is the main principle from ESF. Yeah, I also observed some Apache project has been used the AI tools to help the release and other development work. Yeah, I think we should catch up this trend and to decide how we can use the AI tools. Yeah.
Yes, yes. To instruct properly how to do with those demands, what to do practically, exactly what I should do to say that everything is correct. So it's always a question when I'm an ordinary developer doing my work. What should I do?
Yeah, yes. So thanks, Linod, for your discussion. Yeah. Okay. I think after the Postgres 14 kernel upgrading to 14.7, maybe that's bi-weekly meeting. We can start the discussion on the new 2.2 release. Yeah. So we can talk about it in more detail in our next meeting for the new release. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'm not sure if any other open topics you guys want to discuss or talk about in our today's meeting.
Right now, I'm trying to fix a bug and in the green palm, and it exists the same in Cloudberry too, and it happens when our subplan is located in this different slice compared to sequences that have been created for consumers, and so it's like now I have tried 3 solutions in Orca and 2 solutions in PostgreSQL, and to be honest, I need to discuss it in Cloudberry, but I'm stuck how to form it in the Cloudberry, because it for now in Greenplum I created 3 pull requests for the same issue, because they have completely different architectural proposal solutions, and and I can't do it in one pull request. Is it possible to do the same in Cloudberry to discuss the same problem? Because one of them is proposal to do pull up technique to avoid this, but at the same time it's like an addition feature to solve this problem, and it can't guarantee that it can't guarantee that our problem will be solved for the subqueries that cannot be pull up in the main query. But at the same time, I have other 3 solutions for these types of subqueries. And so if I, my question is, if I form 3 PRs for one, or 3 PRs to solve one issue, is it all right for review or not? Yes, it sounds crazy, but I can't to simplify it. I tried. So it's my question.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I cannot exactly get what your question.
I understood. Yeah.
Okay. You mean So Leonard, I'm not sure if you have any idea. Leonard's question.
Well, we struggled with a problem. Some queries fail because of because of bug in shared input scan. So the question of Alona is we have several solutions from how to avoid those bugs. The first one do not perform shared input scan at all using pull-up technique. The second one is to fix shared input scan and perform it in one slice to not to get handling pointers. And the third one, I maybe not sure. Maybe there is a third one solution.
It's inlining CTS, and it's like we rewrite it in subquery through the planner, and it helps us to avoid this problem too. So it can be solution too. So, but I can't form it in one pull request. I need 3 of them. So I need to form it in 3 of them because there are completely different approaches.
So
Okay,
Yeah,
from my side, it sounds easier to start a discussion on GitHub and put all 3 PRs to Greenplum in this discussion. Then everyone will be able to read the code and choose the best one. Also, you will save a bit of time on rebasing it to Cloudberry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's start the discussion, the first one, and then to show the reproducible script. So everyone could understand in which situations it fails.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I understood. Okay, we'll do it.
Okay. So thanks for your question, Alina. Great. Okay. Any points? Okay, looks good. So if no more points, so let's end this meeting today. So thanks for your guys. Happy Friday.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.